So you may have already heard this, but PPI numbers came out earlier this morning and falling 0.5%. That's for April 2025. It's the first time we've seen a reduction since, October 2023, and the sharpest decline we've seen in a month since April of 2020. That's one piece of news that comes out. Industrial production in the U.S., a bit stagnant during the month, so maybe neither positive or negative. And then you have Fed Chair Jerome Powell warning of higher long-term interest rates and inflation volatility. So yeah, pick your headline there, positive, negative, or just neutral. What about the corn market? We'll get to it in just a moment, but let's see how Wall Street is reacting to all of this, and we see Dow futures ticking a bit higher here at midday. NASDAQ is also in positive territory, and the S&P, which is up 11.3% this month, moving higher as well. So I teased the corn market. How is it reacting to everything? Well, probably not reacting to any of that headline news at this point. December, lower, 436.5. Soybeans, we've seen double-digit losses, down 25.25 at 1036 a bushel. Over to the wheat market, Chicago has been higher on the new crop, up 3/4 of a penny, 525.5. Hard red now down 2.25 at 520 3/4, and then over to spring wheat, December contract, penny and a half lower, 607.5. Cotton market has been in the red, still there, 67.77, down 48. Nick Paumen is with CHS Hedging. Okay, Nick, what do you make of all of this?
Yeah, morning. Well, I guess the big headline today is watching what's going on in the soybean oil market with multiple months contract or trading limit lower there. With the news that the EPA is sending the new biofuel blending mandate or package to the White House, and the thought that the biofuel mandates, blending mandates, are going to be lower than expected. So that's got the bean complex under pressure here, at least the bean oil and beans. So that's probably the big one. Wheat's seeing a little bit of a bounce, kind of mixed markets there. Corn's drug lower by soybeans as well. So not a lot of positivity in the grains world here today.
Yeah, you mentioned the soy oil and those renewable volume. Let's see. Yeah, the RVOs. Part of our problem here is the previous administration didn't do their work for 2025, so EPA's really having to play catch up. Is that a good way to put this?
Yeah, it seems like it. I mean, there's been a lot of question about it since the Trump administration took over. So now that it's going to the White House, we'll see what comes of it and how the biofuel and the crude sector, if they can coexist, or what the updates look like.
Yeah, and then you throw in the whole 45Z issue. So we have plenty of things on the plate to keep an eye on. Nick, thanks for popping in. Great to see you, Nick Paumen with CHS Hedging. All right, we'll take a break. We'll come back. We'll talk livestock markets, but we'll also look at outside markets as well. Market Day Report continues in a moment.